How to fix instant message problem. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open your Instagram. So the next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on your profile icon at the very bottom right corner. Go ahead and click on the three bars at the top right corner and go to settings. Now you'll see there is the notification option at the second, so click on that and go ahead and click on messages. Now if you look under the heading message, you'll see there are three options, and if it is on off, go ahead and make sure that it is from primary and general right here. So if that doesn't work for you, you can always go out of Instagram, long press on this Instagram app and go ahead and click on app info. So at the very bottom, you'll see it says clear data. So click on that and go ahead and clear your cache right here. And you can reopen your Instagram. If that doesn't work for you, you can always try and uninstall your app by going to app info and pressing on uninstall right here and reinstalling the Instagram app. So that is how to fix instant message problem.